Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I have the March Glossy Box to open. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so let's see. I need to open, get my scissors. And it's like, I never know where to open these boxes. So I'm thinking it's gotta be on this side. Oh, actually, there's a pull tab to open this. Boy, I mutilated the last one because I didn't know there was a pull tab. Okay, so you get your box like this. Okay, so it's in a box. It's a box in a box. So we'll get rid of this box. And there it is. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. What do you guys think? I love keeping these kind of boxes to put stuff in. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, they do such a great job. This is only my second one, but great job on packaging. Everything looks beautiful. The ribbon is tied. Oh, love, love, love. So let's get into this box. Okay, on the very front is a card with information about your products. This is awesome. I enjoy having these cards. When you don't have the card, you got to look everything up and it's just annoying. So I love the card. I wish everybody would put a card in there. Even though I can't read it without magnification, I still want the card because I put it under my stuff and then it's able to be read. Okay, so let's go. Let's get my machine turned on real quick. Okay, it's on. We're going to, so if you guys don't know, I'm blind. I can see a little bit, not very much. I do use some technology to, like this, okay? So let me move, can you see me moving hand underneath? So this is called a video magnifier. It goes up and down so that I'm able to look at the item and read what it has to tell me about it. So let's see. Okay, so this is my first item right here. It looks like maybe it's some eye patches. Okay, so this is made by Soon Skin Care, and it said it's the Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrating eye patches. Okay, so there must be just a set of 2 in here. I don't know if you guys have ever used eye patches. They're awesome. They just kind of go down around your eyes and it helps with the puffiness and dark circles. And, you know, I know how that goes. I've got that. 55 years old. I'm going to have that, right? So that's okay. Oh, I got to show you the rest of the box since I took out the item. You see all the little string things in there? That's so pretty. Okay, so let's see what this is. Our next item, guys. This is First Aid Beauty, which I have used many times before. I love this brand. This is for face and body moisturizing. This is $5 retail value, and it's 1 ounce. Full size is 6 ounces, and it is $36. So that's pretty awesome. I like that. That's a deluxe sample. Let me go back and get the pricing on the eye. So this is considered one set of eye mask, and it is $6. You would get a box of 30 of those, which would be $54. This is $5. This is the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer. It's hydrating and it's a moisturizer for face and body. This is $5. Let's see what else we got in here, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. This says it's CAR, K-A-R. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. You guys, I'm so excited that I'm using this video magnifier. I know I'm not looking up at you and you guys have to keep seeing my head, and I'm sorry, but this is how life is when you're blind. So, you know, this is just how it is. Cab Cosmetics. So it's not car, it's Cab, K-A-B, Cosmetics. Sugar Spice Gloss. So this is a lip gloss. MSRP is $18. And the color, nope, it doesn't give me a color on there. Let's open it up and see. That's what it looks like when you pull it out. Let's try to. I don't know, can you see it? Feels good. It's not too sticky. And it's a gloss. So, full size. I like that product. Okay, so this is our next item. Bergamot and Jasmine No Rinse Hand Cleanser. Okay, so it's a no rinse hand cleanser. I wonder if it's kind of like a sanitizer. Let me see. So it's clear and it smells like aromatherapy. It smells really good though. Okay, let me see what it says about it. It says 60% alcohol. It is made with essential oils. Apply a dime-sized amount and spread. MSRP for the deluxe sample is 75 milliliters and it is $10. For the full size, it is $25. Nice. Okay. I had one more thing left in here. This looks like just a regular sample size, or it could be a deluxe sample size. Thinking everything in my box today is a deluxe sample size. So let me go ahead and pull it down. Now this is one of the brands I just had in my Sephora box. It's Caudalie. I think that's how you say it. It is a deluxe mini. It is says Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. It says 62% more effective than vitamin C boosting serums. Okay, so it looks like it's a brightener. See if it gives me MSRP. Okay, for the mini sample I got, it was $26. For the full size, it is 30 milliliters and it is $79. Holy moly. Okay, so we'll try that. It's a brightener. Told you earlier, I love brighteners, right? Okay, so I think that's everything in my box. Oh, no, there's still one thing in the bottom. Yay. Okay. You know I'm going to have to edit the crap out of this. I keep dropping stuff. Stuff's moving. 8 to 0. Okay. Let's see what this one is. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to show it to you first. Looks like it's green inside. It says 0 on the front of the little package. It is Clean It Zero Cleaning Balm. Okay. Massage onto dry skin with fingertips. Add water to emulsify and then rinse. Okay. So MSRP on this mini sample that I have is $3. Full size is $22. So this is basically a cleansing balm. I don't know if you guys have ever used Elemis. So Elemis has a cleansing balm. It's called the Marine Cream or Marine Balm. And it's like this. See, it's kind of like an oily, well, it's really soft though. Let me put a little on my, you can't see it. I don't have a lot, there's not a lot of fragrance in it. But when you take some of this out and you put water with it, or you put it on your face and then you bring water up and you start to scrub, it's going to kind of lather up and pull off dead skin. I like these. I try to use them once a week, twice a week. I don't use them every single day. But that is my next item. So this, guys, has worked out pretty well. I'm going to show you real quick what I'm looking at from my side. Okay, I'm just going to show you a little bit of the paper that I'm looking at. Can you see? So I can make the print a little bit bigger. I can change the colors of the print, like there's black and white. So whatever I need, but it doesn't work very well on, okay. So it doesn't work very well to hold it and try and like put this underneath. I take a picture of this with my iPad because it's flat on the table. It's good for papers. So, okay. So what did I get? So I got a cleansing balm. I got a brightener. I got this hand cleansing. Don't have to wash it off. Got. Okay, it's the Ultra Repair Cream, and it's for body and face. Just use both. I got the eye patches. I know I have something else. And I got the lip gloss. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 items in my box. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So I thought this was a great box. So here's my paper. So you can kind of look at the items if you want to. Hopefully it's focused in. That I don't know. But I just want to say I enjoy getting the pamphlets with our items so we can read about it. Thanks for being patient with me as I'm learning to use this video magnifier. A lot of times you're going to see my head as I'm trying to look at it until I can figure it out. It's going to get there. That's all I'm going to say. It's going to get there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you subscribers who are always here for me. I appreciate you guys so much. And those of you who are not subscribed, if you like this type of content, I am blind, so I do things differently. I prefer to shop the way I shop, with subscription boxes, makeup, clothing even, hair stuff, just things I can bring home. It's too hard to look in the store. I also do travel videos when we cruise or go to resorts. I will show you our room, the resort, everything about the resort, excursions, just all of it. So if you're interested in this type, please subscribe below, hit the like button, and the bell if you want to be notified when I put out new videos. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.